You won't believe what just happened with my electric flosser. So, my Caresmith electric flosser broke down. And guess when? 1 year and 1 month after I bought it. Just 1 month after the standard 1-year warranty expired. Which means, I couldn't claim it. Weary, I didn't want to rush into buying a new one. So I started using a manual flosser from BeFresh. Now to be honest, it's a nice product. It has a small string, and it's super easy to reach all my teeth. But still, I really missed my electric flosser. The convenience was next level. The water jet not only cleaned thoroughly, but also gave my gums a relaxing massage. And it effortlessly flushed out everything between my teeth. So eventually, I gave in. And I ended up buying this. The Perfora Power Flosser from Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the video, do like and share it. Now this flosser promises a lot. Removes up to 99% of plaque. Improves gum health. Comes with a 2-year warranty. Offers 30 days of battery life on a full charge. Has 3 flossing modes. Adjustable water pressure. A detachable water tank. It's IPX7 waterproof. And has a 360-degree rotating nozzle. The printed price on the box says 2,199 rupees. But I got it online for between 1,700 rupees and 1,800 rupees. Let's open it up. There's a security seal, let's break it. Inside the box, here's what we get. A waterproof travel pouch, the main flosser body, some documentation, a Type-C charging cable, and 2 nozzle tips. That's the entire unboxing. Let's take a closer look. First, the pouch. It feels like it's made of waterproof material, which is great because my last flosser was just sitting exposed in the bathroom. Probably why it corroded so fast. So this time, I'm definitely going to use the pouch for daily storage. Now the nozzles, and here's something interesting. You get 1. A standard jet tip, 2. And a tongue cleaner nozzle. That's something my previous flosser didn't come with. One small observation, the standard nozzle has an O-ring, but the tongue cleaner nozzle doesn't. Not sure why it's like that. Hopefully, it doesn't cause any leakage or performance issues. Next up, the Type-C charging cable. I've already got a few of these lying around, so always nice to have an extra. And there's also a detailed instruction manual, which is helpful if you're new to using water flossers. Let's talk about the main unit. The color is a dark gray with a slight bluish tint. Not your regular boring gray. Feels really solid in the hand. And the ergonomics are spot on. There's a nozzle release button. And when you press it, you'll see a lever move inside. You also get a power button, a multifunction mode button, 3 horizontal LEDs to indicate modes, and a vertical light strip to show pressure levels and battery status. At the bottom, there's a transparent water tank, which holds around 300 milliliters. At the back, there's the Type-C charging port, safely covered with a waterproof flap. Here's something else I really appreciated. The tank has a small refill flap, so you don't have to twist open the entire container every time. Just flip the flap open and fill it under the tap. Super convenient. My previous flosser didn't have that, so this is a big plus. Now let's detach the water tank. Just twist and pull, it comes off easily. Inside the body, there's a motor and suction pipe, with a gravity ball at the end. The water tank itself is crystal clear and seems like great quality. Reattaching it is just as simple. To install a nozzle, press it in until it clicks. And yes, it rotates a full 360 degrees. Time to switch it on. The device came partially charged. It powers on in normal mode, with the pressure set to high. Short press the mode button to adjust the water pressure. Long press to switch between modes. Want to check the battery level? Press the power and mode buttons together. 4 out of 5 lights turned on, so it's about 60 to 80% charged. Let's test it out. I filled the tank with regular tap water using the refill flap. No need to twist or detach anything. With the window open, I fired it up. And wow, the water jet is strong. I could literally feel the vibration through my hand. This is no toy, it means business. Let's explore the 3 modes. Normal mode, straightforward and effective, perfect for everyday use. Pulse mode, alternates between strong and gentle streams, really soothing for the gums. Point mode, fires 3 quick bursts, then pauses. Great for flushing out stuck food particles. To test its strength, I used a leaf, and it was pushed back with ease. Bring it closer, and I'm sure it would have torn through. Now it's time to try it on my teeth. It's been a while since I used an electric flosser, so I was genuinely excited. I added a little cool mint Listerine to the water for a more refreshing feel. Using it is simple. Insert the nozzle into your mouth. Press the power button. Aim it at the gaps between your teeth and gums. Keep the water stream perpendicular to those areas. And always hold the unit upright so the suction pipe stays connected. Close your lips slightly to prevent splashing. And let the water collect in your mouth before spitting it out. Pro tip, do it while showering to avoid mess. Thankfully, my gums didn't bleed. But if yours do the first few times, that's normal. They usually adjust within a week or two. If the bleeding continues, reduce the pressure. And consult your dentist if needed. Also, if you've had recent dental surgery, check with your doctor before using any water flosser. Now let's try the tongue cleaner nozzle. It spreads the water stream wider, so you can gently scrub and clean your tongue, while rinsing off any buildup. It's a super hygienic experience. And honestly, I really liked it. From now on, I'll make it a point to dry the flosser after every use. And store it in the travel pouch. That should keep it safe from steam and humidity. Final thoughts. I'm really impressed with this product. 2 things that stood out for me. 1. The tongue cleaner nozzle. 2. And the easy fill flap on the tank. Both were features my old flosser didn't have. And the 2-year warranty gives me extra peace of mind. If something goes wrong, I'm covered. So if you are looking for a new water flosser, I'd say the Perfora Power Flosser is a great choice. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, please give it a like. Subscribe for more content, and share it with someone who needs a better flossing experience. See you in the next one. Stay fresh, stay flossed.